Okay, hi guys. So this is going to be a video of showing you how to post and sort of edit some tricks to your YouTube video. So you can go here. You can always go back and edit your videos. But okay, so first you make your video. You can either upload it here or you can do it here. Actually, we can do it right here. Okay, you select the file. Do this one. Yeah, wait for it. Okay, and you can call it whatever you want. Left, forward, dead two. Yeah, I don't click. You can just say anything in the description like this is just a high plate. Okay. Then I make my thumbnails on this thing called Photo Editor. I can put it down in the description. Basically, you can do all types of things, do some other things. Some things you have to pay for, but I'm not going to do that. So I made this. I saved it on my computer by doing this. Then you go back, upload your thumbnail. I'm just going to do the downloads because it's easier. See? And it's already up there. I don't really have a playlist. No, it's not made for kids. And if you do say yes, it's made for kids, you cannot have comments. I've learned that. I don't know why. This these taggings can also show, like when they search up stuff, this is what they search up. So I just do random stuff like this. For Dead 2 gameplay. I always do English because, yeah, it's in English. You need to do today's date. Left. For Dead 2. And you can do any of these. I'll just allow all comments. Okay. Now in the video, no. Okay. I have to wait for this to process, but we can just wait for that process. And blah blah blah. How long is it going to take to process? Also, if you have like any songs, I usually put that in the description as well. Yeah, we can do this. You would just put public if you're setting it. So if you have a scheduled time, then you press this, and you can choose any time you want. And you just press public, and yeah. It will be taken down if it is not kid friendly. But also, if at the end of the video you can add any of these. So I can do one right now for you guys. Here, let's do this. Okay. You can move these around a little bit. Shorten the clips because nobody wants to see this forever. Maybe too much. Nobody wants to see the clip forever. Okay. And you can choose any specific video. I'm just gonna do my newest one because why not? I don't really have any Left 4 Dead videos. But we can make this a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And there's like a time frame of how long you can have these for. You can't have it for a short time because nobody's gonna see it. Okay. Then after you're done, you can just publish it. You can add to a playlist if you want. But yeah, next, and you're done. And it's easy as that. Then also, if you want to edit it, you can go to details. You can still edit anything. You can change the thumbnail, the end screens. You can also do any of this crap. Analytics tells you what views you have, how long they've watched it, and how many subscribers I think you got from that. this just shows you everything, comments, blah blah blah. So I hope you liked the video and bye.